Welcome to our channel where we make complex tasks simple and straightforward. Today, you'll learn how to verify your Instacart shopper account easily. Welcome to our channel. Let's dive right into how you can verify your Instacart shopper account to start earning and shopping with confidence. Step 1 is to sign up for an Instacart shopper account either as a full-service shopper or an in-store shopper. You can do this by visiting Instacart's official site or by downloading the shopper app. Next, you will receive an email asking you to verify your email address. Open this email and click the verification link to confirm that your email is active and belongs to you. After your email is verified, you will need to upload certain documents. This usually includes a valid government-issued ID like a driver's license or passport. Proof of eligibility to work, such as a social security card or work permit, is also often required. You should make sure your photos or scans are clear and legible to avoid delays. Step 3 involves submitting your background check information. Instacart requires this to ensure the safety and trustworthiness of shoppers. The background check process is simple and will start when you submit the required personal information. After submitting your details and documents, your account will be reviewed by Instacart staff. This process might take a few days, so be patient. During this time, you might be contacted to provide additional information or clarification if needed. Once your account passes verification, you will receive a notification allowing you to begin shopping and earning your first paychecks. Finally, it's important to regularly check your shopper app and email for any updates or additional verification requests. Keeping your contact information up to date will help avoid interruptions in your ability to work. By following these easy steps, you can verify your Instacart shopper account smoothly and be on your way to providing great service to customers while earning money. Don't forget to prepare your documents ahead of time and reach out to Instacart support if you encounter any issues. Remember, this process is simply designed to keep both shoppers and customers safe and secure. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more helpful tips and guides.